everyone, do you need to detox your system? This is the perfect way to do that. This is the secret for you to detox your body system. All you need is ginger, you need lemon, and also you need green tea. Alright, watch me and see the way I do it. All you need to do to detox your system have these three main ingredients. Now I have my lemon and the ginger washed, then I'll just cut. So you want to slice your lemon. So you put a sliced lemon inside your pots. I will be using this pot. Just put a sliced lemon there. Then you also want to slice your ginger. Put a sliced ginger in the pot. And now you cut up your green tea bag. I'll be using 2 bags of green tea. Put this in here. And you put the second one. This is green tea bag. And now let's go boil this. Come on. So now I have this in here ready. Yes. You let this boil for 20 minutes. Please. Let it boil. Keep it. This is done and it's ready. In here I have ice. So I'll pour this ice in here. This is how you make your detox water, and for effective results, try to take this first thing in the morning on empty stomach or last thing at night when you're going to bed. I hope you like this video. Share, like it, and let me know what you think. I love you all. Bye for now.